With a peaked roofline and a cozy front dormer, this 2018 Rockwood Hard Side A214HW folding pop-up from RV World looks like a perfect little home on wheels. This sturdy folding camper can be easily towed behind a minivan or crossover vehicle. The front of the unit is protected by a diamond plate and there's a hitch light that illuminates the manual jack. It comes equipped with a 30-amp detachable power cord and a spare tire with cover. Exterior storage compartments lock for safety. There's a trunk under the front dormer that provides great storage for luggage, camping supplies, toys, and more. Inside this 20-foot 10-inch long pop-up, you'll find a kitchen and dinette near the front. The dinette folds down for additional sleeping space and it has storage underneath the benches. The sink and cooktop both have covers so you can have more usable countertop space. The wet bath integrates the toilet and shower in order to maximize living space. The rear bed has a quilted innerspring mattress that is heated as well. Visit us at RV World and you'll find some of the most popular RV brands at the nation's lowest prices. Find us online at rvworldmi.com or give us a call at 616-965-2250 and let our friendly salespeople help you find the perfect RV.